Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nabil. Today I want to do review book which is titled A Little Something Different. It was written by Sandy Hall and is published in 2040. The genre of this book is about romance or teen romance. The story in this book is told from different perspectives that have 14 viewpoints, which is really many by me. Leah and Gabe are in the same creative writing class. Somehow they order same Chinese food, they hang out in the same place, but Leah is a little aloof and Gabe is a shy, and they never going to work things out. But something is happening between them. There was some instant chemistry between them. It's kind of cliche, but everyone can see it. Their teacher push them together. The baristas watch their relationship like a TV series. The driver bus tell his wife about them. The waiter at dinner also said them together. And even a squirrel believe that Leah and Gabe means to be together. In this story is a good story, good love story, and the inline story they up and down. There are also some issues that make this story more interesting. Leah thought Gabe is a gay because her friend Danny told Leah that Gabe is a gay, and Leah also agreed to help set them up. Leah misunderstanding the Gabe interest, and Danny just thought that Gabe gay, and he didn't even ask Gabe about it before. And there were some time when Gabe misleading or confused Leah. When Leah talked to Gabe, it really take a long time for Gabe to reply, and Leah really worked very hard to talk to Gabe, but it seems Gabe ignore Leah. Leah cannot take Gabe as serious, and because Gabe cannot hear really well because one side of his ear lost hearing permanently, and he doesn't really want to talk to Leah about it, and it's cause Leah confused about Gabe intention. There's some miscommunication between Leah and Gabe. When Gabe want to talk to Leah always run from him to talk, and because Leah have mixed feeling because she feel kind of jealous when Gabe is with another woman, and Gabe doesn't talk anything to Leah but always ask her about her. And Gabe is a shy, and he really want to talk about his condition, but he always lost his timing. And sometimes misleading can be so really bad. Everyone must have their weakness and condition that have not told anyone. It always can cause misleading for me in my elementary school. I have a weak arm that because there was some accident when I was born. In school, I cannot do many heavy work. I feel very sad when my classmate just jumped to conclusion that I was lazy. I took this chance when our classmates were chatting. I told them about my past, and I feel really relief at that time. It's different from my life. The difference between my life and the story is my life is more like relationship between people and doesn't really have romance. The development character in Gabe is really shown in the story. Gabe put really many effort to solve the problem between Leah and him, clear the misunderstanding, and this problem need each other party to cooperate to solve the problem. I really want to recommend this novel or this book to Helmi, which is my friend. He likes some romance stuff, so this is really perfect for him. And the novel is easy to read, and it doesn't really have hard vocabulary, and it's perfect for beginner to read. I hope the person who read this novel feel interesting about the concept storytelling, which is a different point of view and it's different from other book that was sold. That's all from me. Thank you.